Yo, 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 what's up, everyone? Welcome back to Flash Fountain, the place where conversations feel like coffee with your funniest friends. I'm Lucas, and I already feel like I need a glass of water because today's topic is kind of important.
Hi, people. I'm Sophia. And trust me, when Lucas says important, it means he probably Googled something at 2 a.m. and got scared.
That is true. And today we're talking about health, not boring health, not doctor health, just real life, messy, funny, everyday health stuff.
Yeah, like the kind of health where you say, I'm gonna sleep early, and then you're still scrolling on your phone at 3 in the morning.
Exactly. So if you're drinking water right now, good job. If you're not, just pretend you are.
Okay, so let's start with something simple. Morning health. How do you feel in the morning, Lucas?
Honestly, I feel like a zombie. My alarm rings and I'm like, who is calling me from another life?
Same. I wake up and my body is in bed, but my soul is still sleeping.
But you know what's funny? When I wake up early, drink water, stretch a little, I feel like a superhero for like 20 minutes.
Yeah, those 20 minutes feel amazing. You feel like, today I will be healthy, today I will eat fruits, and then lunch happens.
Oh, lunch. Let's talk about food health. Do you eat healthy food every day?
Oh, I try. I really try. But then pizza looks at me like, hey bestie, miss me.
Bro, pizza has emotional power. Like, salad is quiet. Salad just sits there. But pizza talks.
Pizza's like, you had a hard day, come here. And salad is like, you should eat me, in a boring voice.
But when I eat too much junk food, my stomach starts complaining. It's like my stomach sends me a message, bro, respect me.
Same here. I get that heavy feeling. My body becomes slow, my mind becomes slow, and even my walking becomes slow.
Okay, next mini topic. Exercise. Do you exercise?
I walk. Does walking to the fridge count?
That's basic cardio.
I think exercise is weird. Like, when you start, it's painful. You're sweating, your lungs are screaming, and you're asking yourself, why am I doing this to myself?
But after exercise, don't you feel amazing?
Yeah, after it's done. While doing it, I hate everything.
I tried home workout once. I watched the video. The trainer was smiling. I was crying.
Those trainers are dangerous. They're like, just one more set. And I'm like, I'm leaving this planet.
But small things help, like walking, stretching, moving your body a little. You don't need to be a superhero.
True. Even dancing in your room helps, and it's fun.
Next, let's talk about sleep health. How many hours do you sleep?
I want to say 8, but the truth is, my phone sleeps more than me.
I lie in bed and suddenly, I'm overthinking life, my future, what I said in 2012, everything.
Oh my god, same. I think about random things like, did I drink enough water last week?
But when I get good sleep, I feel different. My mood is better, my face looks better, and I don't get angry for small things.
Sleep is like a free medicine, but we ignore it.
Okay, let's switch to mental health. That's a big word, but let's talk simple.
Yeah, like stress. Do you feel stressed?
All the time. Small things stress me. Traffic stress, noise stress, even slow internet stress.
Slow internet is a health problem.
When I'm stressed, I feel tight inside my chest. My thoughts go very fast, and I feel tired even without doing anything.
Same. Sometimes I just sit quietly and breathe. That helps a little.
Music helps me a lot. When I listen to calm music, my brain feels like it's getting a small massage.
That's cute. Brain massage.
Let's talk about hydration. Water, the most ignored friend.
Yeah, we drink coffee, tea, juice, but we forget water.
When I don't drink enough water, my lips get dry, my head hurts, and I feel lazy.
And your skin also feels tired. Water is like a beauty drink and health drink together.
Okay, scenario time. Role play.
Oh, yes.
Okay, imagine this. You meet a friend.
Okay.
I'm the friend. Hey, Sophia, you look tired. Are you okay?
Yeah, I feel weak today. I didn't sleep well and I skipped breakfast.
See, that sounds so real, and that's a health conversation.
Yeah, health is not just hospitals, it's daily feelings.
Let's talk about sickness. When you get sick, what do?
I become very dramatic. I act like I'm dying even if it's just a cold.
Same. If I have a small fever, I act like I need a holiday for 2 years.
But when someone else is sick, we're like, drink water, rest, you'll be fine.
Why are we strong for others but weak for ourselves?
That's a deep question.
Okay, small mini topic. Posture. How do you sit?
Like a shrimp, curved.
Same. My back is like a question mark.
But when I sit straight, I feel more confident. My breathing feels better.
Mike's mini topic? Breathing.
We breathe every time, but we don't notice it.
When I feel nervous, I take slow breaths. It calms me down.
Yeah, deep breathing is like a reset button.
Now, let's talk about social health, friends, and people.
When I spend time with good friends, my mood becomes better.
When I laugh, my body feels light.
Lonely days feel heavy.
So health is also about people, not just food and exercise.
True, talking helps.
Okay, quick, funny moment. Have you ever searched your symptoms online?
Oh, no, that is dangerous.
You search headache, and Google says you have 5 serious problems.
And then we're sit there like, this is the end.
But then you drink water, and the headache goes away.
So dramatic.
Now let's talk about lazy days.
I love lazy days.
Same, but too many lazy days make me feel guilty.
Balance is important.
Body pain. Do you ever feel pain in your neck or shoulders?
Yes, especially after using phone for a long time.
That's real. Health is connected to small habits.
And habits are hard to change.
I have this habit where I promise myself I will eat healthy from Monday. Monday comes and I'm holding a burger.
That is the most real thing ever. I do this thing where I say, I'll go to bed early today, and then I'm watching random videos like how to survive on Mars.
Why are we like this?
Because health is easy in our mind and hard in real life.
Okay, embarrassing health story time.
I'm scared.
One time, I tried to start jogging. I bought shoes, I wore sporty clothes, I walked outside feeling like an athlete. I jogged for 2 minutes and I was done.
2 minutes?
Yeah, and I was breathing like I ran a marathon.
That reminds me of my story. I tried to drink warm water with lemon every morning. First day, perfect. Second day, forgot. Third day, remembered at night.
Healthy life in theory, lazy life in practice.
Let's talk about what if health situations.
Ooh, I like this.
What if you eat only junk food for 1 week?
I will feel heavy, slow, sleepy, and probably very sad.
What if you sleep only 4 hours every day?
I'll become angry, confused, and I'll probably forget my own name.
What if you drink enough water every day?
My skin will glow, my mind will feel fresh, and I will feel like a better human.
What if you walk for 20 minutes every day?
My legs will hurt in the beginning, but my heart will be happy.
Let's talk about healthy lifestyle versus unhealthy lifestyle.
Healthy lifestyle feels calm, you sleep well, your body feels light, your mood is good.
Unhealthy lifestyle feels like you're always tired. Your body feels heavy. Your mind feels messy.
But nobody is perfect, and that's okay.
Yeah, it's not about being perfect. It's about trying.
Mini role play time.
I'm ready.
We meet after a long time.
Hey, Lucas. Wow, you look tired.
Yeah, I didn't sleep well these days. My schedule is messy.
You should take care of your health, eat better, and rest more.
Thanks, I really need to fix my routine.
See, that's how real people talk about health.
Now, let's talk about emotions and health.
Oh yes, when I'm sad, my body feels weak.
When I'm happy, I feel more energy.
When I'm angry, I feel hot inside.
So, feelings and health are connected.
Let's talk about small habits that help health.
Drinking water slowly.
Stretching your body in the morning.
Taking short walks.
Breathing slowly when stressed.
Smiling more.
Laughing more.
Talking to someone when you feel low.
Let's talk about silent health problems.
Like headaches.
Like back pain.
Like tired eyes.
Like neck pain from phone use.
These things look small, but they matter.
Another what-if game.
Let's go.
What if you completely ignore your health?
Over time, my body will feel weak and my life will feel difficult.
What if you care a little every day?
My life will slowly feel better.
Let's talk about social media and health.
Scrolling too much makes my brain tired.
And my eyes hurt.
And sometimes my heart feels heavy when I compare my life.
So sometimes we need a break.
Let's talk about food cheating days.
Oh yes.
Some days you eat super healthy.
Some days you eat cake for no reason.
And that's okay.
Life is about balance.
Mini topic, health and care.
Oh yes. When I'm sick, I want someone to say, "Get well soon."
I like warm drinks when I'm sick.
Rest becomes very important.
Even silence feels nice.
Let's talk about being tired.
Sometimes I'm tired without doing anything.
That's mental tiredness.
Sometimes I'm physically tired.
That's body tiredness.
Both are real.
Let's talk about health and confidence.
When I feel healthy, I feel confident.
When I feel sick or weak, I feel low.
So, health affects how we feel about ourselves.
Now, quick fun rapid round.
Let's do it.
Water or soda?
Water.
Walk or gym?
Walk.
Early sleep or late sleep?
Early sleep. Sometimes.
Healthy home food or street food?
Both. Not gonna lie.
Now let's slowly bring it to a calm ending.
Yeah. Let's make it soft.
So today we talked about health in real life.
Not perfect health. Real human health.
Morning struggles,
Food problems.
exercise pain,
Sleep issues.
stress,
Water.
mental peace,
Funny habits.
embarrassing stories,
Serious moments.
and small happy changes.
Health is not about being perfect.
It's about caring a little every day.
If you enjoyed this friendly talk,
If you felt like you were sitting with friends,
then do one small thing for us.
hit the like button
Subscribe to Flash Fountain.
and comment below.
Tell us what health habit you want to fix first.
We read your comments.
We love your stories.
We love you guys.
This is Lucas.
And I'm Sophia.